The next thing I wanted to show you is about angles on a straight line. So angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. And we know that because the straight line is exactly 180. So everything we have that goes all the way around to it must add up to make that 180 degrees. So if I've got 30 just here, then this one has to be 180 take away those 30. So this angle here will be 0 take 0 is 0, 8 take 3 is 5, 1 take nothing is 1. This bit here will be 150 degrees. Our rule is angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. And that's something that you need to be able to quote, okay? In this case, I can prove that I'm right because I've got my protractor and I've deliberately drawn this exactly correctly. So there is 30 degrees just here, and you can see that that is 150. The line is the 50, 130 line on our protractor. But sometimes in examinations, you'll see the sentence diagram not drawn accurately. And that means that what you have to do is take what they tell you as true, and then you have to work out the rest of the angle. And the exam question will probably say, work out the size of the angle missing. And it might have a letter in there, so it might say to you that work out angle X. So we've got 135 degrees already on this angle, and we know that this is a straight line. We've got to work out what angle X is worth. So we're going to do 180, take away 135 to find out our angle. We don't have enough to take away 5, so we have to take it from here. If we take it from there, that leaves 7 units in our tens column, and we now have 10 times as many from the one we borrowed. So we have 10 take 5, giving 5. 7 take 3 is 4. 1 take 1 is nothing. We have 45 degrees for that angle. This is the next step. This is when it starts to get a little bit trickier. And it gets a bit trickier because we've got 2 angles already given to us, all on that straight line. Now the angles we've got are 50 degrees and 80 degrees. So if we add those together, altogether we've got 130 degrees so far. And we can just simply do 180, take away that 130, and it gives us that we have 50 degrees remaining. Okay, that's angles on a straight line.